Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, March 30th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, on Friday, we had a nasty sell off, 900 points or something, and at least on the charts, it looks like we pretty much made up for it today. The Dow had a good day, up nearly 700 points, and we had a okay day. We made money. Not as much as I'd like to, of course, but we did pretty well. We ended up closing out almost $15,000, just shy of 15,000. So that's really good on the close outs. On our entries were not so good. We got into 11 positions. 3 were positive, 8 were negative, and we are carrying a negative 8,000 going into tomorrow, but you never know what's going to happen. We are really pretty massively short energy going into tomorrow. So what happens here with the Dow is not going to make too much difference to us. It's what's going to happen in the energy markets that's going to make or break us tomorrow. But I'm not going to worry about it. As I say, we closed out 15,000 today. I'm real happy about that. I'll show you 3 of our positions. And if I can do this here. Okay. This first one's a really great trade. This is INO, which is Inovio Pharmaceuticals. And on last Thursday, middle of the day, we bought this thing. It basically closed just slightly profitable on Thursday, but the big move on Friday that keeps us into the trade, and then we get another gap up this morning, almost a perfect exit there, and our exit was with $18,700, and we got out, and the market just went down. It just got up there just long enough to make us a bunch of money. I love this algorithm. It just, when it works, it just works beautifully. Have another one here. Let's see. This is Clovis Oncology. And we also bought this on Thursday, about the second hour. It did close quite profitably for us. And then on Friday, we get out of it very nicely there. It kept going. We got back into it on the re-entry. It moved quite a bit higher on Friday, and then opened basically kind of unchanged today, and we exited there, and then it sold off just like the other one. Beautiful trade there. And what do we have? We have $6,600 on the first trade that we got out of on Friday. Then on this one that we got back in on Friday and got out this morning, we have $8.2 thousand. Total almost $16,000 in this great move in Inovio Pharmaceuticals. And we took almost all of this move out, and we got out of it before it started retreating. That was really beautiful. And then finally, I'm going to show you the reason why we're really not in the red with our open trade. I mean, we'd be badly in the red without this. We're open in this. This is SCO, which is something like Bloomberg Crude Oil Ultra Short, something like that. Anyway, it's short crude oil, and we had bought this on Thursday, and it closed decidedly against us. It looked like a terrible trade on the close on Thursday, but big gap up on Friday. That keeps us in. We held it all day, and another big gap this morning, and it's pretty much holding its own. We're up $13,500 in Bloomberg short crude oil. So that's real good, and because of that $13,500 positive, that offsets some of the terrible losses we have in this open trade. We're holding a whole bunch of really crappy positions, but because of this, we're only negative $8,000 going into tomorrow. As I say, all this will be taken care of just fine if we just have the energy sector drop a little tomorrow for the open, and we'll do just fine. Anyway, um, good day as far as I'm concerned. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.